Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you an example of bot settings from one of our users, show the profit, the settings, and also give recommendations for their use. Let's start with the profit. The user has launched 4 bots in 4 coins such as ETC, Solana, ETH, and XRP. In the current month, I am recording the video on August 14th. His bots earned from 6% profit and 9% profit in ETH. Let's look at the profit for previous periods. July. The bots earned 17% profit, and one bot in ETH earned 27% profit. We all know how ETH grew last month. June. The bots earned 10% in XRP, 13% in ETC, and Solana and Ethereum gave 16% profit each. May. The bots earned from 6%. This is XRP and ETC. Solana earned 10% profit, and the bot in the Ethereum pair earned 16% profit. I want to note that these are real results, not simulations, not backtesting. The bots work with real money on the exchange. The total profit, for example, from May to today, let's select May 1 to August 14th, amounted to 45% profit for the bots in XRP and ETC. Sol gave 53% profit, and the bot in ETH gave 67% profit. Now let's move on to the bot settings. The user trades on the Binance exchange, the long algorithm, and uses 10x leverage. Bot settings: 20 orders and 5% Martingale, and price change coverage of 40%, i.e., 20 orders are placed over 40% coverage. Partial placement, profit 1%. Now let's see if he uses profit repositioning. No. So for the purchased volume, for the open position, a 1% profit is set. Capitalization 75%, but I do not recommend enabling it on futures. And the most important entry condition, his filter is set to RCI with a 15-minute period, indicator value 27, wavelength 15. Recommendations: the user uses this configuration with the ratio of the bot's deposit to the total balance plus margin of 1 to 2. For example, he has 860 bot deposit and deposit plus margin amounts to $1720. Let's see where liquidation will occur if the price changes significantly in the wrong direction for us. We see that liquidation will occur exactly at the execution of the last order, since the last order will be placed at the 40% coverage level and exactly at 40.01%. Our recommendation: use the ratio of the bot's deposit to the total exchange balance of 1 to 3. For example, this is $860 bot deposit and $2,500 on the exchange balance. We check where liquidation will occur, and we see that liquidation will definitely happen outside the grid. The entire grid is gone, and the price needs to move in the opposite direction by 6 to 7% for it to happen. All risk management depends on you, so do not trade with all your money. Always keep additional funds in reserve so that if the price moves in the wrong direction, you can add to support the margin. For example, you can trade both with spot bots and futures bots, and, if possible, transfer from spot to futures. If you have any questions, write to us in support, in Telegram, or create a ticket. We will be happy to answer them.